Simple machines. Noah was trying to pry the lid off a paint can with his fingers. Liam handed him a screwdriver. Use this. The lid popped off easily. Noah stared at the screwdriver. How did that make me so much stronger? Liam picked up the telescope. It didn't make you stronger. It made you smarter about how you used your strength. The golden light carried them into a vast workshop full of ancient and modern machines, all spinning, lifting, and rolling. What is a simple machine? A simple machine is a basic device that makes work easier, Liam said. They don't create energy or reduce the total work, you still use the same amount of energy. But they let you trade force for distance. Use less force over a longer distance, or more force over a shorter distance. There are 6 types of simple machines, and every complex machine ever built, from a bicycle to a crane, is just a combination of these 6. 1. The lever. A long plank balanced on a triangular support. Liam pushed down on one end, and a heavy boulder on the other end rose into the air. A lever is a rigid bar that pivots on a fixed point called the fulcrum. The farther you are from the fulcrum, the less force you need. That screwdriver you used on the paint can? It was a lever, the rim of the can was the fulcrum. Levers are everywhere: seesaws, scissors, 2 levers joined at a fulcrum, wheelbarrows, bottle openers, even your forearm, your elbow is the fulcrum, your bicep provides the force, and your hand lifts the load. 2. The wheel and axle. A large wheel attached to a smaller cylinder. When the wheel turned, the axle turned with much more force. A wheel and axle is really a rotating lever, Liam said. The wheel is the long arm, you apply a small force over the large circumference, and the axle is the short arm, delivering a greater force over a smaller distance. Doorknobs, steering wheels, screwdrivers, the handle is the wheel, the shaft is the axle, and bicycle wheels all use this principle. 3. The pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a groove for a rope, Liam explained. A single fixed pulley changes the direction of the force you pull down to lift something up. That's useful because pulling down uses your body weight as an advantage. But the real magic happens with compound pulleys. Add more wheels, and each one multiplies your force. A 2-pulley system cuts the effort in half, but you pull the rope twice as far. Ancient cranes used systems of 5 or 6 pulleys so a single person could lift stones weighing thousands of pounds. 4. The inclined plane. A long ramp sloped gently upward to a high platform. An inclined plane is just a ramp, Liam said. Instead of lifting something straight up, you push it along a slope. You use less force, but you travel a longer distance. The ancient Egyptians may have used enormous ramps to move the 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing 2.5 tons on average, needed to build the Great Pyramid. Ramps for wheelchairs, roads winding up mountains, even the sloped blade of an axe, all inclined planes. 5. The wedge. A wedge is really 2 inclined planes stuck together, Liam said, holding up an axe. When you drive a wedge into something, it converts the downward force into a sideways force that pushes things apart. Axes, knives, chisels, your front teeth, even a doorstop, all wedges. A nail is a wedge that pushes wood fibers apart. 6. The screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder, Liam said. When you turn a screw, the spiral thread converts rotational motion into linear motion, pulling it deeper with each turn. You apply a small force over many turns to generate a huge clamping force. Jar lids, bolts, drill bits, spiral staircases, all screws. Even Archimedes' water screw, invented over 2,000 years ago, is still used today to lift water from rivers into irrigation canals. So every machine ever invented uses these 6 ideas? Noah asked. Every one. A bicycle combines wheels, axles, levers, the pedals and handlebars, pulleys, the chain and gears, and screws, the bolts holding it together. A car engine adds hundreds more. But strip away the complexity, and you always find these 6 simple machines at the core. The telescope returned them home. Noah picked up the screwdriver again and looked at it with newfound respect. A wheel, an axle and a wedge, he said, examining the flat tip and the round handle. Now you're thinking like an engineer, Liam grinned. Good night, simple machines. Good night, invisible helpers.